Skycatcher 7027 Foxtrot, exec tower, south departure approved, runway 18 cleared for takeoff.
Cleared for takeoff, south departure approved, 27 Foxtrot.
Final clear.
Thank you.
This is like being in a little smart car.
I know, I told you. When everybody's like, when I said to come back to work and I spent 2 hours just warming up to get my feet back to normal. That's what I meant. But I can climb this sucker so quickly you cannot imagine. We're 3,500 feet because before the end of the runway kind of deal.
Yep.
Yeah, we have a beautiful view outside. We're cruising here, making sure we're not hitting anybody. But other than that, it's an amazing view today. It's really beautiful. The snow from up here is so peaceful and gorgeous. Everything looks so clean and pretty. It's amazing. And now you can really appreciate the amount of trees we have in this area because that's the only thing you see right now that's different colors.
Right. That's right.
We're about 6.8 southwest. Downtown Tower, Skycatcher 7027 Foxtrot, 6.8 miles southwest inbound.
20 Foxtrot, ident observed, enter right downwind runway 19er.
Right downwind 19er, 27 Foxtrot.
Kansas City Downtown Airport information, India, now current, altimeter 29er, 9er 8, wind 220 at 8.
She has to clear me. She has.
Skycatcher 20 Foxtrot, runway 19er, clear to land.
Clear to land, 1927 Foxtrot. Here we go. I think we're all set up for what we can do. I'm a little high.
It's 5 to Tango, remain outside of the class Bravo airspace, departure frequency 118 port for scale.
Good opportunity to practice the slip.
About to do that.
Remain outside of the class Bravo airspace, so I'll take a left turn here and repeat the rest, please. 5 to Tango.
We are slip.
Contact departure 118.4.
We call that a slip.
That's awesome.
118.4, flight following, 5 to Tango.
Actually, this airplane is only the other planes can't do it. Can do a forward slip with flaps.
8 miles to the northwest, inbound for full stop with India.
Great job. You've done that before.
Yeah, Janae practice with me anything you can imagine to the point that I can do it.
Downtown Tower, enter right base for my 19er.
Ballooned a little bit.
Base for 19er, K-State 18.
Downtown Tower, helicopter 05, go, single bell 407, 7 miles, southeast
Okay.
inbound for station drop off.
I don't see any taxiways. How do we get out of this runway?
Pretty.
It's amazing. Really gorgeous out here. So happy we did this. Okay. Well, we're going to go over there, signature, sit there for a minute, get everything sorted out, get straightened out, and head back out and take back out.
Ciao.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, you got him? Okay.
Oh, yeah. Oh, trust me. But this plane, you don't stop in the middle of a turn.
Yeah, that's interesting.
You have certain habits, you don't do certain things, because then the cats are stuck.
You can slow down and, you know, in the 172 that I'm used to. And
Yeah, you think about this twice.
I bet.
You don't have to slow down, don't do it.
Skycatcher 27 Foxtrot, runway 19er, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, runway 19, 27 Foxtrot.
Get my feet out of the way.
Final is clear.
Final is clear.
This is so different, dude. I love it.
Isn't that awesome?
It's awesome. Like the runways is right, I can take off on the sucker and diagonal. You have no idea. Like with a short field, I can drop that thing before you're on the halfway to the 1,000-foot marker. Even the middle line is what the middle line indicator is bigger than our whole runway.
Pretty much.
Oh, look at the view.
Commander 3 Sierra, runway 100, clear to land
Yeah,
parking.
that's gorgeous.
Beautiful.
Oh, we should be fine with the airspace because
Yeah.
the only problem is this thing has no visors, as you can see soon.
Yeah. Sprint center.
This is about as cool as it gets, huh? You notice your butt gets cold now?
Yeah, my feet.
Yeah, carb is out. That means you don't get heat in here.
Ah.
You can either have one or the other. You can pull it out, nothing will happen other than cold air coming in. Oh. As it gets, I think.
Beautiful.